Hello Manager, hi people. Hello Manager, hi people. I think this is part 8. Well, I will write it on at the description and whatever the topic. I think it's part 8 of this Lister motor. I hope it doesn't show my finger as a thumbnail again. Right, so let's go on with the story. See you later, sometime later. Just to get away from this noise, om van die geraas weg te kom. So there's a concrete mixer and Corneille started it and it's running. Corneille hom gestart en hy loop. So and it's also showing slower on the video than it really is. Tot ziens, bye bye from this video. The last part of the Lister, the Lister engine is now making a noise. So it's working, so we must just secure it to the concrete mixer. So I moet hom nou net vast sit daar op 'n sementmenger. Die motor loop en hy raas en so. Nou alles wat ek moes doen om te laat werk dis al. So tot ziens, dankie thanks for viewing. Dankie dat julle na die video gekyk het en subscription. Thank you for the subscribing. Thank you for that and stay safe, bly veilig tot die volgende video. Tot ziens, bye.